Quickly and easily turn any Google Doc into a template using the Make a Copy workaround. Create a base document to use as a template. Save your doc with a helpful name. Select Make a Copy from the File menu. Enter a name and destination for the copy document. Select a save destination, such as My Drive. You can also choose if you want to share the new document with the same people or copy over comments and suggestions on the original document. Click Make a Copy. You can now edit the copied document to your heart's content without making any changes to the original template you created. Changing the URL of your doc. This odd little hack turns an ordinary doc into a template so that you can make a copy to work from. To start, open the document you want to use as a template. Delete the word edit from the very end of the URL. Paste the phrase template/preview onto the end of the URL. Press Enter on your keyboard. Click Use Template. A new window will load with a preview of your document. This will create an exact copy of your document in the same location as the original. You can now edit the copy however you like. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.